And now we're about to enter the fitness center, also key fob, and this is also on the first floor too. So let's enter the fitness center, and all right, so my impression of it is it's adequate size. It doesn't have, it's got the good basics, and everything is clean, and the equipment looks amazing. So it's gonna have your basics for cardio, let's say cardio plus. So kettlebells, dumbbells, you could accomplish a lot of things with this piece of equipment. And then it's got 3 other equipment pieces here, so that could tackle a lot of things. And then it's got 2 treadmills and a couple of other kind of stepper kind of machines over here. So not too bad, pretty good. So it feels good. I like also that the courtyard is looking out, so it's very light and bright in here. So it smells great, by the way. I'm smelling, oh, I love it, love it, love it. So they're keeping this really clean. There's also this flex room. Let's take a look at this flex room real quick. So this flex room is pretty cool. Oh, I love it. So you can be putting on your Peloton or whatever program you want, and you've got two spin machines here, spin cycles. So cute flex room. So that's the gym. Oh, and there is kind of some open locker spaces here too. And then a TV as well. Press OK to watch TV. So anyway, that could be going. And then there's water too, which is awesome. And I love it that they have one of those LK sensor activated things to fill your water. So this is the fitness center, y'all.